Hey you guys, welcome back for another video. We are talking about stringing up tomatoes. We have Better Boy tomatoes here. They are the really large slicer tomatoes, and we have probably tripled our tomato crop this year in our garden. And instead of having really bulky tomato cages and other systems that require a lot of storage, my husband thought of a fabulous idea. Let's get some T-posts, and we had a humongous ball of twine, and it's kind of plasticky, so honestly we never have to take these T-posts out or the string, and we can use it year after year, which is super exciting and very economical. What you can see my husband doing right now is he is trimming off any boughs on these tomato plants that are towards the bottom. We're really exposing the bottom portion of our plants. And we started these tomatoes back in January by seed, and they are planted about a foot into the ground. And so they have very strong root system in the ground. And we are exposing the base, and we're taking that twine and wrapping it around, starting on the side where the plant is leaning over to give it support, and wrapping it gently around the bottom boughs and lifting it up and doing a loop knot at the top. So if we find that maybe we have tied it too tight or it needs some type of adjustment, we can easily just pull the string and retie it without any issues. We're also taking off any flowers that are currently on the plants mid-June, and it's been unseasonably cool. So we are just trimming those off, really allowing the plant to mature and to grow, and trimming it up so it's just really nice and strong. But again, we're just looping it at the top, and this is going to keep all that fruit off of the ground. We had the hardest time last year getting all of the tomatoes off the ground, and this is just a really economical and wonderful way to support your plants and get them off the ground and to increase production. So I hope you found value in this video, you guys. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put that below, and we'll see you in the next video.